Greetings to all of you on behalf of the Calamba International Leadership Team here in Hong Kong as we come together in spirit to celebrate the Feast of St. Columban. A very happy St. Columban's Day to our beloved parish of Malate. As many of you know, St. Columban is the patron of the Missionary Society of St. Columban. We as a missionary society have been blessed to serve in the Philippines since 1929, and our presence in Malate has been a deep source of joy and grace for us. We have walked alongside you for nearly a century, sharing in the beauty of your faith, culture, and community. But who was St. Columban, and why is he such an important figure for us today? Born in Ireland in the 6th century, St. Columban was a missionary and a monk, known for his passionate love for Christ and his bold travels to bring the gospel to distant lands. He founded monasteries in places like France and Italy, creating places of prayer and learning. Above all, St. Columban was a man of deep spirituality whose life was shaped by the words of Christ and a commitment to serving others. St. Columban's missionary zeal is one of the reasons we honor him so deeply. His message was simple yet profound. We are of Christ, not of ourselves. This teaching reminds us that our lives belong to God, not to our own selfish desires. We are called to serve, not for personal glory, but to honor Christ and serve God's people. Another teaching of St. Columban that speaks powerfully to us today is, if you wish to know the Creator, you must first understand His creation. This wisdom calls us to be more mindful of our world and the environment that God has entrusted to us. St. Columban understood the importance of caring for creation, and this call is more urgent today than ever. We are reminded to cherish the world around us, to treat the earth with respect, and to protect it for future generations. As Columban missionaries, we have tried our best to live these teachings in the Philippines, striving to live humbly and serve with love, sharing the gospel and working for justice and peace. Our work in Malate, like our work across the world, is grounded in St. Columban's spirit of compassion and faith. On this St. Columban's Day, let us renew our commitment to Christ's mission in the world. Let us remember that we are called to be God's hands and feet, serving others and caring for God's creation. To all of you in Malate, and especially to those who have been part of this journey for so many years, we thank you for walking with us. May St. Columban's example inspire us to live lives of service, reverence, and love, and may we continue to build a community rooted in Christ and His message of peace. Happy St. Columban's Day, and God bless you all.